Chapter 7 Water. Water is very important for life. All living things, people, animals and plants need water to live. There can be no life without water. Water is used in homes, schools, offices and factories. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. The water we drink should be pure and clean. Plants need water to grow. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Sources of water. Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater is the purest form of natural water. It goes into rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. We use these sources of water for our various needs. We can see water on the surface of the earth. This is called surface water. Surface water. Lakes. A lake is a large body of water entirely surrounded by land. It may be natural or man-made. Rivers. Rivers and lakes get water from rain or by melting snow on mountains. Dams. Dams are built on the river for storing water. They make it possible to generate electricity and irrigate the fields. Ponds. A pond is a small body of water surrounded by land on all the sides. Sea. Rivers flow into the sea. A sea is a huge body of water. Seawater is salty. It cannot be used in our homes. Underground water. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. We get groundwater through wells and hand pumps. A well is a very deep, round hole made into ground. In our homes, we get water through taps. The water we get in taps comes from both surface water and groundwater. Springs. In some places, the underground water reaches the surface of its own. It is called a spring. Water pollution. Pollution of water bodies is known as water pollution. Water gets polluted due to activities like floating plastic bags, releasing chemicals, etc. The following are the major causes of water pollution: industrial waste, sewage and water waste, mining activities, dumping waste, accidental oil leakage, burning of fossil fuels, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, leakage from sewer lines, global warming, urban development, animal waste. Water needs to be preserved today for us to live a life tomorrow. Safe drinking water. Clean and pure water fit for drinking is called potable water. Groundwater and rainwater are not safe for drinking. These may contain impurities. Impure water is not good for health. It has germs and bacteria which are harmful to human beings. It causes diseases such as dysentery and cholera. We should drink clean water. We can clean water by using a water filter. We can also boil water. Boiling water kills the germs in it. Filtered and boiled water is totally safe for drinking. We should keep water in closed containers. We need to protect our water supply sources from pollution, etc. Water treatment and purification. Water that we use at home is already treated before it reaches us. The water is treated at large water treatment plants before the water is supplied to homes. Water treatment is the process of cleaning water on a large scale. Treatment makes the water safe for people to drink. Conserve water. Water is very useful for all living things. Rain is our main source of fresh water. We must not waste clean water. In many places, there is very little rain. Rivers and lakes do not get filled up fully. People in these places face great shortage of water. So, rainwater can be stored in tanks, drums, buckets, mugs, jugs, and bottles. Rainwater can be used for bathing, washing, and watering plants. Collecting and using rainwater is a way of saving water. Conserving water through proper use. Few tips. Check household taps and pipes for leaks. Use as much water as you need. Use a broom to sweep your garage, sidewalk, etc. instead of washing it with water every time. Use a bucket of water to wash your bike or the family car. Water your lawn in the evening or in the early morning to avoid evaporation. Be careful to water only the lawn and not the sidewalk or street. Use water only when you need it. Don't leave water running. Jumbo says, a tomato contains 95% of water. An apple and pineapple contains 80% of water. Saving and reusing water. At school, collect excess water and use it wisely. Close the tap after use. Report leaks to prevent water going waste. Make others aware of conserving and reusing water. At home, use a bucket of water for bathing. Do not leave water running while brushing. Create a rain garden if possible. Rain gardens take advantage of land's natural water runoff to nourish the plants that live there. Save water while washing vegetables. Collect and use the water which is released by your water purifier as waste. Water is precious. We must not waste even a drop of it. We should use water only when we need it. Let's remember, men, animals and plants need water to live. We get water from rain, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds and wells. Drinking water should be pure and clean. Collecting and using rainwater is one way of saving water.